Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we will explore how to make professional image isolations. Start by selecting the subject using object selection and refining it in mask overlay mode with careful attention to clean edges and smooth transitions. Zoom in to fix fine details and avoid halos or jagged outlines. Apply the mask and separate the subject onto its own layer, allowing complete freedom for background replacement, retouching, or layout design. Use adjustment layers clipped to the subject to maintain color accuracy and tonal consistency. Optional tips